Hey everyone, just giving you a little update, starting on the motor. I've got this side all torqued down, right? Remember, when you put these together, you got to put a little silicone in these here because they're just wide open to the back, right? And this is inside the engine, so they'll have a tendency of running down and dripping. Polished up all the push rod tubes, as you can see. Ooh, nice and clean. Put new rubber ends on them. These ones here, put a dab of silicone. On the next set, I'll show you what they look like, right? So you can see they're nice and clean all the way through. Rocker arms are gonna go on afterwards. I gotta pull these little rubber pieces out still. I got a new ones in the kit. Gaskets in there. Torque down to, the first set was 7 foot-pounds of torque. And then you go over it with a different sequence from here, there, there, there. And you go up here to there, to there, to there, to there, right? With 27 foot-pounds of torque in sequences. So right now, we're just got this side set up. As you can see, there's the silicone. It's still loose, right? We haven't done anything extravagant. I always leave them a little loose so that the silicone has the time to adhere to the bolts. A little loose, keep them loose for the push rod tubes to go in. As you can see, they're, what's that? Oh, there's a little blackness there, whatever. That's a piece of silicone, old stuff. So this has got to be wiped down, the final wipe, and we'll start assembling the motor, the rest of it. And I'll show you what that's going to look like. Then we're going to put the sand seal in the back. You can just see it back there right here. We'll put that in, and we'll tighten up the front harmonic pull, well, the front pulley, right? So okay, let's get into her. Thanks. Okay, so I finished off the motor. Well, I haven't finished it all off. I mean, everything's torqued down, but I got to put the rockers and push rod tubes, or push rods in. Everything went together good. Took about an hour to tune up these things properly. You can see how much I had to cut out of it, right? She's a pretty good cutout, but now it doesn't even touch. So it took some time, gave it a quick coat of paint, the way the wife wants it. This one here is the same thing. I just rolled the edge here a little bit more because this side's a little bit different, right? So wife drew in some pictures. So it's her own custom touch. I like it. Looks good. The rest of it we're going to put together soon. Polished up the under tubes as well, the push rod tubes. Ooh, nice and shiny. What else have I done? Really, that's been about it. Got everything all torqued up nicely. The motor looks great. Right? Just got to put on some of the tin, pull the shroud off, put the vent kit on, generator in, then put it back together, pull it off, replace the rear main seal, put it back on. I might put the carburetors on. I'm probably going to see if I can tune it here on the starter, right? Yeah, this is my engine starter. You can see it's got a full transmission on it, mounted. It works good. Its own little gauge cluster, right? See, generator light, throttle. You actually push forward for throttle, but yeah, it's a good little starter. I made it up. So we're gonna get this rest of this done, and we'll see what happens. I just ran out of time today with all the extra cleaning and the extra stuff what I did today, and then people stopping by, seeing me. So yeah, I guess we'll see you on the next videos, and thanks for watching. And I'd like to say welcome to all the new people. So like and subscribe. Thanks, and see you in the next ones. Bye.